Jumbo. Your Excellency, I crave your indulgence to adopt protocols previously established and proceed. Thank you, sir. Your Excellency, let me once again welcome you to today's event, which is for the commissioning of the reconstructed Umuola, Okehi, Umuola, Eberi Road, in which traverses Etche and Omuma local governments. The start point of this road is due northwest of our position right now, and this project, which commenced about 5 months ago in the month of August, is an 11.8 kilometer long road. The road is 7.3 meters wide, and the design specifications here, we have 150 millimeters of stone base, 50 millimeters of binder course, and 50 millimeters of wearing course. From where you're seated, looking at the shoulder of the road, I'm sure you can see how thick it is. At some points of the road, we also did some cement stabilization because of some few wet areas. Your Excellency, before now, the road was quite deplorable and it was a nightmare. It has about 8.5 kilometers of drains, which are fully functional in the built-up areas, and it starts right at the Okehi Umuola junction and terminates at Eberi in Omuma local government. Thank you, Your Excellency, for the opportunity to be a part of your administration. And on behalf of the management and staff of Ministry of Works, we want to say we appreciate the privilege of being part of history, the privilege of having an opportunity to lend service to our people, to humanity, and to be part of people who will receive the blessings of the land. Thank you, sir.
I will start with giving you a small background on why we're here or taking this project as our first activity for showcasing what we've been doing when we don't make noise. Showcasing what we're doing when they're all battling to starve us from fund. We were here about 5 months ago when we came to inspect the extent of job that was ongoing in Omuma. I stand to be challenged. Omuma, for more than 8 years, have not witnessed any project. It was in our administration that we awarded Umuola Eberi Road. The road is almost completed. And when we came, I said, how can we be going to commission a project and the access road is bad? You just imagine having a very beautiful parlor, and before accessing the parlor, you have a dirty, what do you call it, ante room or so. So I said, no, that we must, no matter what it will cost us, ensure that the access road to Omuma is properly fixed, so that when we are going for Omuma to commission that project, it will be an easy and smooth drive. So what we're doing today is the parlor, well, I say the ante room of the occasion. The main occasion will be in Omuma. I have to also say that the contractor didn't disappoint us. Even when we are struggling to meet the basic needs of government. What are the basic needs of government? protect the life of your people and their property, provide services. Even when they are working to make sure that we can provide services, we have to starve. We are determined to make sure that our people are happy. And we said, whatever it is that will cost us, we must make sure that we do this. So I'm happy the contractor didn't disappoint us. I'm also happy that the community, both Etche and Omuma, gave us the needed support. Etche, Rienwo. Omuma, Ngonwo. Why? Am I not your deacon or one again? But whenever you are sharing land, make sure that you invite me to gain from it. Let my deacon not only be deacon when you want to collect. Let it also be deacon when we are sharing, so I can collect too. Let me thank everyone, more especially our wonderful supporters. Let me assure you that this is just the beginning. We did not forget the issue of the General Hospital, not just General Hospital, the completion of the zonal hospital. We are going to do it. We are not those people who believe in flag off. If we have to do flag off, we must tell you the significance of that project. That is why there are a few of them we are going to flag off. And when we get to that flag off, I will tell you the story behind it. Somebody mentioned here, when we came on board, there is some part of the road connecting Imo State. Because the road had a few meters to an opposition politician, the project was ended. In fact, in front of the man's gate. For so many years, they suffered. Politics is not about being wicked, being vindictive. No. It's a service. It doesn't matter where the person is. I'm not the governor of PDP. Although my chairman are from other parties. I'm the governor of River. So I owe everyone the responsibility of caring, providing, and protecting. So that's, I want you to know. We're going to come back. Those ones we want to commission is a straightforward thing. Those ones we want to flag off, there is history behind it. So when we go for that, I want to tell you the history. But today, we're starting to showcase what we have done in those months when people are asking, what are we doing? Where is the fund? I'm happy to say here, I stand to be challenged. I have never borrowed. This administration not borrowed. The only road was the one we used in the Ring Road, and everybody is aware of it. Go and bring any paper. Go to debt office, debt management office, and check if we had asked for anything. We don't need it. What is important is the little we are getting, we are applying it rightly. You are aware of the situation that even while I'm still having difficulty with money, I paid salary, not just paying salary. We implemented the above 70%, 70,000 minimum wage. It's showing our commitment, showing our love for our people. So we want to assure you, we will not let you down. Continue to believe in one River State. Believe in Rivers first. The users of this road, the chairman said something here. Please, the security agencies and others should ensure that they try as much as they can to provide adequate security here, which is also very important. It is not just we building the road, but the security for the road should be there. At least to say. Thank everyone again. I assure you that our eyes are on the ball. We're not going to fail you because You have taken too many.
This in the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. Reconstruction of administration. His Excellency, myself, this day, December, the year of our Lord, 2024. To God be the glory.